Hello gang, it's me, Atrocity. This is the first upload of my 5 uploadathon, where I'll be uploading 4 more videos. This is the first one in a span of roughly, maybe 8 hours or so. It's going to be quite a bit difficult, but there will also be some very cool details that I'll add throughout the videos. If you could spot them, I'll pin a comment, I guess. I can do that for you people. So yeah, this is just a heads up. This is the first video of many, so be prepared for a marathon. Atrocity out.